Thank you for selecting an Infratech custom control for your property or project. Infratech puts infinite heat control within reach. With the widest range of custom control options in the industry, our controls help property owners get the most enjoyment out of an Infratech heating system with features like zone heating, infinite heat intensity control, an integrated timer function, and industry-exclusive smart home integration and hands-free voice activation. Infratech's custom control panels are built on a project-specific basis, assigned a UL listing number, covered by our extensive 3-year warranty, and proudly made in the USA. In this video, we'll review Infratech's custom control collection and help you determine the optimal location for installation of each option. Infratech's exclusive universal control panel comes with a 120-volt universal slide dimmer and timer. It can also be paired with any CFL and LED-friendly 120-volt dimmer switch to coordinate with the property's decor. Our home management panel is compatible with top-selling home management systems. The simple interface uses a 0 to 10 volt DC signal for streamlined installation and straightforward programming. The integrator works with the user to determine how they want to control the heater. Solid-state control packages allow property owners to adjust heating intensity and enjoy zone heating with timer functionalities. The solid-state relay panel and the zone analog controller with timer are designed to work together. The solid-state control packages are a great choice for large-scale spaces with multiple heater installations. Infratech's universal control and solid-state control panels are NEMA 4 rated, and the home management relay panel is NEMA 3 rated. These ratings indicate that the panels are suitable for outdoor use and are completely weatherproof. When choosing the location for the control panels, here are some things to keep in mind. The relays inside the universal, home management, and solid-state control panels require unrestricted ventilation to ensure they stay cool. In a well-ventilated area, you will need to allocate at least 12 inches of space on each side of the panel. If you are installing the control panel in an attic, crawl space, closer to a corner, or another area where ventilation may be somewhat restricted, you'll need additional clearance. In those cases, we recommend allocating a minimum of 18 inches of clearance on all sides. Once you've selected an appropriate location for the control panel, you'll need to select a location to install the switches or the zone analog controller. The universal control's 120-volt AC dimmer switch and the home management system's third-party 0 to 10-volt DC user control should be placed in the vicinity of the Infratech heaters. All installations must comply with both National Electric Code and the local electric codes. If you're installing an Infratech zone analog controller, which pairs with the solid-state relay panel, please note that the zone analog controllers are NEMA 12 rated, which means they can be exposed to dust and mist, but not direct rain. You will need to install the zone analog controller under a solid roof or in an area that will not be exposed to direct rain. This can be behind a door in a barbecue island or anywhere indoors near the heater location that is well protected from the elements. If you are unable to mount the zone analog controller in a protected location, we recommend mounting it inside a weatherproof enclosure. Thank you for specifying and installing an Infratech control. We hope we've given you the guidance to choose the right placement for your control panels and switches. If you still have questions, please visit our technical support page for more troubleshooting tips, wiring diagrams, or to access our online customer service portal.